Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to withdraw money from BingX account. Before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. Open BingX. So there are two methods through which you can withdraw your money from BingX. The first one is P2P trading and I will show you how to do that. Tap on deposit and buy crypto, and from here you can see the option of P2P trading. Tap on that, then tap on sale over here. From here you have to select USDT. After selecting USDT, you can see that there are many people who are giving you the rates of USDT. You have to select any one trader who is offering good price as well as he should have a good rating. Once you select that person, tap on sale. Once you tap on sale, you have to write down the amount you want to withdraw from BingX. After writing down the amount, tap on sell with zero fees. And once you tap on that, your order will be created and you will have about 10 to 15 minutes in which the merchant or the seller will give you the payment in your desired bank account or any e-payment method. So you have to choose anyone and give the payment details. After that, you have to wait for a few moments and you will receive your assets in your bank account or any e-payment method. Now once you receive your payment, you have to release your crypto, and once you do that, your order will be completed. And that's how simple it is to withdraw money from BingX. Now the second step to withdraw money is to withdraw your money from BingX to another exchange. So if you don't want to withdraw your money into your bank account and you want to withdraw it to another exchange such as Binance, so you have to tap on assets on the bottom right corner for that, and then tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, search for the coin that you want to withdraw. After searching the coin, tap on that and select the first option, which is on chain. So over here we have to write down the USDT address. So to paste the USDT address, we first have to open the exchange in which we want to transfer our assets from BingX. In this case, I have selected Binance. After selecting Binance, tap on wallets on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on deposit. On the top, search for coins which you want to withdraw in your Binance. After searching for that, tap on that, and here we have to choose the right network. I will choose BNB Smart Chain BEP20. After choosing that, we will get the deposit address of USDT BEP20. Now the next step is to copy this deposit address and come back again into the BingX application and paste that address over here. After pasting the address, tap on network and this drop down menu will appear where we have to select the same network. In our case it was BEP20, so I have selected that. Now the last step is to select the withdrawal amount or write down the withdrawal amount. After doing that, tap on withdraw, and once you tap on withdraw, you have to confirm your transaction, and after a few moments you will receive the notification as well as the confirmation email from Binance and BingX that you have successfully transferred your assets from BingX to Binance, and that's how you can easily withdraw your money from BingX. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.